How's it going? Mark again. Just got back from a trip to Las Vegas where I was spending some time with Joe Nazari at Line of Fire LLC. Got my Nevada CCW and my Florida CCW while I was out there. And been spending some time talking to Joe Good from Tech Shield Elite. He's their marketing manager. Telling them all the different ways that Joe and I have been using Tech Shield. And I go through a lot of it. So they sent me the granddaddy of Tech Shield containers. I think above that it goes to liters and gallons. Anyways, I've been telling them I use it for machining and cutting and welding. And while I was in Nevada, Joe and I we got a 14.5 barrel, had a phantom flash hider pinned and welded onto it. Went over to a friend of his house, had a welding setup, and I used Tech Shield to lubricate while we were drilling the holes and whatnot. And he was blown away by how little smoke there is from the process. So I'm going to drill a hole in one of my ball peen hammers and show you how well it actually works. And just to be clear, this is just the Tech Shield Elite Weapons Lubricant and Cleaner. This is not their clear cut product they make specifically for this application. So if clear cut works better than this stuff, I'll be amazed. So a little puff of smoke, that's it. And then it kept the drill bit cool enough to just keep drilling down. If I was using cutting oil, just applied like that to the surface, I'd have to reapply it 2 or 3 times to get all the way through that hammerhead into the wood. But that's not the only place I'm using it. I'm also using it over here. Say hello to Lucas. It's my youngest son. But we're using it on our progressive press. Look at how clean it is. We're lubricating the turret, the powder charge, the little arm that goes and gets the primers for loading. When I started loading myself to do some 9mm to go to Vegas, the machine had some hiccups, and it was previously lubricated with all grease. Obviously the piston is still going to be lubricated with grease because it's got the Zert fittings on there. But I started lubricating all the stuff up here on the top of the machine that doesn't have any kind of grease, lubricating it with Tech Shield. Took the hiccups out each and every process that I went through. And over here I got my old single stage here. Roommate Bryce is decapping some rounds. We started treating the decap and sizing die with Tech Shield Elite. You don't have to lube the rounds at all because now Tech Shield Elite is plated onto the actual die, and it takes all the creak and all the binding out of it. But while I was in Vegas, we used it to fix Joe's toilet, his sliding glass door. We treated his kitchen knives with it. I was hand fitting a 1911 grip safety. Used it through the entire process there. I lubed his Dremel snake with it. You don't know what a Dremel snake is? Cable attachment. It goes on your Dremel tool so you have more control with it. Finding near endless uses for this product as we keep going around and sticking it out there. I just watched a video that Joe posted where he went to a Second Amendment shoot with some other people, and it didn't mention where to get the product at all. In fact, I think at the end they had like a concealment company's logo up on the screen or something. Not the way you do business. If I want people to find the products that I'm reviewing, if you notice at the end of every one of my videos, I have their company logo and their internet address for you to go walk the dog and find it if you want to get this product that I'm reviewing. On every single one of them. Even if I only mention you in my video, I make sure people can find you. Because that's the way business is done, right? So it's going to look something like this.
At least it wasn't crooked.
6 years old. Start 'em young. Keep going. There you go.